Back in the day, when a school perceived the need to have an information system that addresses all the school management challenges and communication challenges, it had to go through various processes of project management, from project initiation or project formulation to project planning, implementation, execution, monitoring and evaluation, and finally project sustainability. Despite the constraints of time and budget coupled with other resources, the school had to go through such processes in order to have an ideal solution well established at the school. Now, the reason why I'm sharing with you this information is the purpose of this presentation, and I'm going to show you how your school can have a complete information management system without going through all those project management procedures by simply connecting to the dotShule platform. And this is what you have to do in order to have your school connected. Open your browser on your phone or computer, type dotshule.ug and hit the enter button. When you are done, you access the login page, but this is where we get the link for the self connection. Click school dotShule self connection to access the page. As you can see, there's some description about the system, but this is the only required information that you will have to provide for you to have your complete system. So go ahead and provide this information to have your system complete in the shortest time possible. For our demonstration, our school is called ABCD High School in Kampala. It has a Enable Center number, but even when your school doesn't have a Enable Center number, you can just put any code as your book. This one is subject to change when you finally register your school. Select the district of location, for example Kampala, the level of your school. So if you are a pre-primary and you have a vision of expanding to primary, you can use that option, but this demo school is a secondary school. Also select the category of that school. This one is a private school. Now you have to enter your telephone number as the person connecting the school and your email. Once you are done with providing those details, you have to confirm that this number belongs to you. So the moment you click yes or you tag yes, you will receive a code. That code has to be instant, which you will be required to fill in that field. But even when the message is not delivered on time, usually the code is sent on the email. So when you are done with you can check out your email for that code. When you get that information done, now you can provide other details about you, the person connecting, because in the process of connecting the school system, you'll be also given an account, and this is why this information is necessary. So if you have never used the dotShule, you will tag no, where you will have to provide your name accordingly. So when you're done with that, you will have to input the number with the money, where the number to bill. So this is just a one-time fee for connection. So you just input that number where that money is and tick or check the terms and condition button, then click connect. The moment you click connect, you'll be required to enter the PIN on your phone. So once you enter the PIN, your system will now be set up. You get the details via the message, and those details will include a school ID, user ID, and a password, which you can now use to access your school system and customize your system to suit and match your school administrative structures. Thank you for watching. We shall share more videos. In case you get stuck and you have an issue, There are some contacts you can call at any time of the day. Thank you for watching.